Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In part 1, we created a static PDF using ReportLab, and in part 2, we made dynamic PDFs for individual profiles. Today, in part 3, we are taking it to the next level by generating a single PDF containing all the profile information with one click. This is perfect for creating comprehensive reports or summaries. Stick around to learn how to do it step by step with Django and ReportLab. So let's get coding. So why is this useful? Imagine you're building an app for HR, a school or customer database. Instead of downloading separate PDF for each profile, your user might want a single, neatly formatted report with all profiles in one document. This saves time, reduces server load, and looks professional. Plus, it shows you how to handle dynamic layouts in ReportLab, a key skill to any Django developer working with PDFs. Whether it's for reports, invoices, or dashboard, this technique is a game changer. So in this video, we are going to fetch all the profile from database using the profile model, create a single PDF canvas using ReportLab, iterate through each profile, adding its detail to the PDF. We will manage page layout to avoid text overlap and ensure readability. Add headers and timestamp for a polished look. Serve the PDF as a downloadable file. Add a button in the profile list template to trigger this. And update URLs to route to the new view. We will add a new view to views.py. No new imports are needed since we are already using Django and ReportLab. I'm gonna name this view as generate all profile PDF. Since we are not generating each one by one, I'm not gonna need the primary key here. First, I'm gonna query all profiles from the database. And I'm gonna create a HTTP response with PDF context data. Set the file name for downloading. I'm giving us profiles. Here you can change it as however you want. Also here I'm gonna change it to inline. Next, I'm gonna initialize the PDF canvas using the same what we did. P is equal to canvas.canvas, which is imported from ReportLab. And I'm gonna set a Y position for content. I'm gonna set it as the 800. You can change it according to your wish. And I'm gonna add a title and a timestamp at the top. I'm using the same one what I did use that the last time, the font. You can change it and play with it. And I'm gonna give the profile name as all profiles report. Here I'm gonna change the Y position to 750 and I'm gonna keep this at 800. So it will be at the top. Next, I'm gonna add the timestamp here. Now I'm gonna iterate through the profile from the database. And here I'm gonna check if we need a new page to avoid first page break. This p.show page starts a new page, and again I'm going to set the Y position to 150, resetting it to 750, sorry, and I'm going to set the font to 12. And here I'm going to draw a profile header. And here I'm going to add a index for clarification. And I'm going to move the Y position to the next line. Now I'm going to draw the profile details here. I'm going to give it as a 10. Now at the end, instead of 15, I'm going to add a 30 to, so it will have a extra space between profiles. Next, I'm going to finalize the PDF using p.showPage and p.save, and I'm going to return the response here. So that's it for the view part. Now I'm going to add this in the urls.py. So all the code, whichever I'm doing, it can be found in the description. I will give the GitHub link. So let me copy this, sorry, this one. And in the profile list, after the table, I'm gonna add a anchor tag. So let me save this and let me stop the server and run it again just to be sure. Now if I go for the website, and there is the button here, you can style it and you can do anything here. Now if I click on it, I will get all the profile details here. So after you are satisfied with all the output how you wanted, just go for the views, and instead of inline, let's change it to attachment. And now if you click on this, just refresh. If you click on this, it's gonna download the PDF. So that's it for part 3. Now you know how to generate a single PDF with all the profile data using Django and ReportLab. This is perfect for reports or bulk data. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.